Hi everyone. In this video we can see what is the measurement of our record. Thank you for subscribing this channel, for seeing the basic videos and advanced videos and all the tutorials. Please check the playlist and you can learn all the basic and advanced courses in Aari embroidery. So this is the Aari cord. There are two sets of long wooden blocks and two sets of short wooden blocks. So the long is, you can measure. I'm here going to show what is the measurement for everything so that you can make the Aari cord for yourself. You can see the holes. The holes for the short blocks will be on the top so that we can put the nails on that for the tightness of the cloth. But for the holes in the long wooden block will be on the sides. So on the sides we have tied the thread, very thick thread. In the last there will be a hole. It will be, the size will be according to the short wooden block, because the short wooden blocks will go into it and it will be like a cot. So this is the details. So I'm going to show what is the exact length measurement for everything, so you can do it on yourself. For the long wooden block, the length may be vary from 5 to 5.5 feet. It's our wish. We can take 5 feet or 5.5 feet. The short wooden block will be 3 to 3.5 feet. This is in feet measurement. I'm going to show the measurement in inches for the exact length. So for the long block, the length will be 70 inches, width will be 2 inches or 3 inches, height will be 2 inches or 3 inches. The wood should be very strong, it should not bend, and there should be 2 holes on the edges of the long blocks so that the 2 short blocks can go inside. So, and there will be a holes for the tight binding of the thread. There should be a space of 3 inch between the 2 holes in the side way. So now for the shorter blocks, the length is 47 inch. The width is 1.5 inch. Height is 1/2 inch, because this height will goes into the 2 holes in the long box. So height should be very less, and there should be a holes in the zigzag pattern. You can see there will be 2 holes in the middle. There will be another hole, as like we make rangoli holes. So this is the long wooden block. The length is 70 inches. So on the edges there will be 2 holes. So the width is top part. I had written what is the width. So this is the width part. What I am showing with the scale is the width part, and what I am showing with the scale is the height part. The height and the width can be 2 inches or 3 inches for the long wooden block. So it should be, the wood should be strong. It should not bend, because if it bends, then we can't make the design properly, because there will be a stretching in the cloth. And at the last ends there will be 2 holes. So this is size according to the short blocks. If the short blocks height is 1/2 inch, then we have to give 1/2 inch space so that only the short blocks can go inside the long wooden block. So we can fix like this. You can see the holes where the holes on the short block will be top, and the holes on the long block will be on the sides. So on the sides we have binded a thread. So on the thread we will bind all the cloths for Aari work. So it should be the set should be like this. Then the short blocks, you can see the short blocks hole. The length is 47 inch. It may be 3 and 3.5 inch. The height should be 1/2 inch. It should not more than 1/2 inch, because this 1/2 inch space should be on the long block for inserting the short block inside the long block. The space between the one hole on the other hole on the width portion is 3/4 inches. So we have to make the holes in this pattern so that we can nail, or we can keep the nail for the tightness of the Aari cloth when we are fixing. So the width is 1.5 inches and the height is 0.5 inches. There should be a space difference of 3/4 inches for the holes. So this is the pattern how we will fix